Children, today we will discuss Federalism Part 3, Decentralization in India. Let's be very clear, what exactly is decentralization? Decentralization means when power is taken from center and state government and given to local government. This is called decentralization. Once again, when power is taken from center and state government and is given to local government, it is called decentralization. So this decentralization in India resulted in creating third level or third tier of government, and that is gram panchayats for the villages and municipal corporations or municipalities for the urban area. Now question arises, what was the need behind decentralization? Why decentralization was required, or what is the rationale for decentralization? Students, as you know, India is a vast country. Therefore, it cannot be ruled only by two tiers of the government. It exactly needed one third level also at the level of the villages, etc. Then, states of India are as large as independent countries of the Europe. So they needed division inside the state as well. And if we talk about if we talk in terms of population, Uttar Pradesh is bigger than Russia. Maharashtra is as big as Germany. And then states are internally very diverse. People speak different languages, follow different religions, follow different customs, traditions, etc., etc. Therefore, there was a need for power sharing within the state and creation of a third level of the government. And there is the idea behind this was that a large number of the problems and issues can be best settled at local level. For the people, they have a better idea how to solve the problem. At a person sitting at a state level or a national level might not have that good idea about the problem. So therefore, at local level, these problems can be solved better. People have better knowledge about problems in their localities. So there should be a local government. Not only this, they have better idea on where to spend money and how to manage things more efficiently. Then best part is it will strengthen democracy. How? Because people can directly participate in decision making if we have a third level of the government. So all these reasons ultimately resulted into decentralization. Now, we will discuss the scene before 1992 and after 1992. When India got its freedom, India became independent. From that time onwards only, the concept of Panchayati Raj was there. But before 1992, panchayats in rural areas and municipalities in urban areas were set up, but they were directly under the control of state government, so they were not that effective. And election to these local governments were not held regularly. Then they did not have any power or resource of their own earlier. So that means there was very little decentralization, because this, no doubt, this third level of the government, the panchayats and the municipalities or municipal corporations existed, but they were not effective. Then how the third level became more powerful and effective? Yes. In 1992, major steps were taken towards decentralization. See, Constitution of India was amended to make third level powerful. Now, children, it is mandatory to hold regular elections to these local governments. Then seats are reserved for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes in the elected bodies and as executive heads of these institutions. Not only this, one third of our positions are reserved for women. The way we have election commission for the country, in the same way, state election commission has been created in each state to conduct panchayat and municipality elections. And state governments are required to share some power and revenue with local bodies. So, therefore, after 1992, actual decentralization has taken place, and the third tier of the government, that is the panchayats and the municipalities, have actually efficient and effective. Now, children, we will discuss Panchayati Raj. What exactly is this Panchayati Raj? So we say the rural local government, we call that Panchayati Raj. Okay, first of all, see, we know India is our country. In India, we have 28 states. India is divided internally into 28 states. For example, Punjab, Himachal, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, etc. All are states. In the same way, each state has districts. Now, for example, Punjab. Punjab has 22 districts. Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Hoshiarpur, Amritsar, Kapurthala. These are districts. Firozpur, children, is the largest district, and Kapurthala is the smallest in Ludhiana. So what has happened? In Punjab. So in Punjab, we have 22 districts. Now these 22 districts further have rural area and urban area. It has villages and cities and towns. If we see, in Punjab, there are 12,278 villages, 143 towns, and 14 cities. District Ludhiana in itself has 941 gram panchayats. So now we'll discuss what exactly is Panchayati Raj, or the rural governments, third tier of the government. So there, I'll say 4 levels you will understand. First, we'll have Gram Sabha in the villages, then Gram Panchayat, then Panchayat Samiti, and then Zila Parishad. What did I say? Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, and Zila Parishad. Now let's discuss in detail. Gram Panchayat. Now first of all, we'll say Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha consists of all the adults of a village. Adults means all those above 18 who have a right to vote. So what is Gram Sabha? Gram Sabha it consists of the adults of a village or cluster of villages. Now, the Gram Sabha, it monitors and evaluates the work of Gram Panchayat. Usually 2 to 3 meetings of Gram Sabha are held, and Gram Sabha approves the annual budget. Usually, like one Gram Sabha consists of a minimum 1,500 people, adult, the ones who can vote. Now, Gram Panchayat, it is at the Panchayat level. So, Gram Sabha is at the village level. Gram Panchayat, we say Panchayat level. Now, we can say that Gram Panchayat is the executive organ of Gram Sabha. A village is divided into wards. People contest election. The ones who win the election, they become Panch. So they are elected for 5 years, and they are elected by the people. Then Panch, and the president is called Sarpanch. Now, these elections are direct elections. Then Panchayat Samiti. So what have we done? Gram Sabha, the people of the village, adult of the village, they have from their own wards, they voted and they elected Panch and Sarpanch. Now, Panchayat Samiti. Few Gram Panchayat, they are grouped together and they formed Panchayat Samiti. One village or a cluster of village can have a Panchayat, Gram Panchayat, and A few gram panchayats together form Panchayat Smiti. This is at block level, and we call it block, or we can call it mandal, and it is usually at the block level. Afterwards, at district level, we have Zilla Parishad. So we talked about Gram Sabha, village level, Gram Panchayat, panchayat level, Panchayat Samiti, block level, and now we have Zilla Parishad at district level. So all Panchayat Samitis in a district together form Zilla Parishad. And most of the members are members of Lok Sabha, MLAs of district, other officials of district level, they can be political heads, and Zilla Parishad head is called chairperson. Hope it's clear. Now, if we have panchayats for the villages, what about the urban area? In urban area, children, we have either municipal corporation or municipalities. Now, what is the difference between municipal corporation and municipalities? Let's discuss municipal corporation first. Municipal corporation is usually for administrating big cities like Delhi, Bombay, where population is over 1 lakh. And municipal corporation consists of councils which have councillors. Councillors are directly elected by the people, and it is headed by mayor and deputy mayor. Now, municipalities. It is for the cities that and towns which are smaller. That means where population is from 25,000 till 1 lakh, up till 1 lakh. And it also consists of councils which have councillors, and councillors for municipalities are also directly elected by the people. It is headed by a president or a chairperson. Now, children, here we have discussed decentralization. We talked about Panchayati Raj, we talked about municipalities and municipal corporations. And now here you have a few questions that you are going to write in your copies. Your first question, define decentralization. Second, what is the rationale behind decentralization? Third, what steps have been taken to make the third level of democracy more powerful? And your last question, write a note on Panchayati Raj. So last question is only regarding Panchayati Raj. Thank you.